Good morning students, this is Ms. Soumya Goel, Assistant Professor, MCIT Department, CPJ College. Today we would be studying the topic related to digital marketing. Before moving on for the topic, let's discuss the basic concept of digital marketing. As you can see, digital marketing is made up of two words, digital plus marketing. Now, the digital marketing is one of the common things that we are seeing in the present day scenario. Now, basically, digital here means electronically. And marketing stands for selling of products and services as per the needs and requirement of the customers. So, when we mix them, we come to know that marketing, which we are doing electronically, is referred to as digital marketing. In today's context, if we take the common examples of whether it is Amazon, Flipkart, and Hopshop for the kids, all the marketing, all the companies are taking their products online and selling in the online procedure, most probably after the COVID era. And we have realized that it is at great ease to the customers, wherein we have a good choices available on the phone or on the laptop or on a computer system, wherein we just scroll through the options and we order and make the payment online, and the good is delivered at our place. Now the concept of digital marketing, wherein how such promotions are being made. Now, and taking into view the promotion techniques, number one promotion techniques comes as email marketing. Email marketing is one of the basic digital marketing promotion techniques which is traditionally followed since long, wherein an email is sent to the desired set of customers with having registered mail IDs, and the company sends them all the brochure related to the recent sales or their new catalogs, so on and so forth, for sending the product to the customers at a greater reach. Second technique that comes is after email marketing is social media marketing, which is quite popular nowadays. By social media marketing, we means that nowadays we are great followers of social media platform, whether it is Facebook, whether it is Instagram, whether it is Twitter, so on and so forth. Now the companies are promoting their products with the help of social media marketing, where they are sending small links to the customers on the customer's profile, on the customer's account, and the customer scroll through those links and make the purchase, whether he likes it or not, and he or she is able to scroll the particular product and have a review about the same. Now all the social media platforms which we are logged into, whether it is Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, or we can say Snapchat, are helping the companies to attract more and more customers to this for the same. Third marketing, if we talk about, is content marketing. Content marketing often relates to the work with the content writers, wherein the main focus for any company is on the content. The company believes that the customers will be scrolling through all the content related to the product and services that one company is providing, and after that the customer will be deciding whether he or she wants to make a purchase or not. Now content, the company gives a great emphasis on the content of the product, and they want to use simple languages with yet an attractive version of the same, so that they can attract the customer towards their set of product and services. So they hire certain content writers for doing the same. If we talk about the fourth promotional techniques, it is SEO, which refers to search engine optimization. Where the customers scroll through the use of the SEOs, that is the search engine optimizer, wherein on the Google we type any particular type of product that we want, and the Google shows us the number of different types of links that have been scrolled regarding the same, whether it is related to normal product or services or customized product or services or personalized product or services, and based on the number of things searched, the company comes to take the company's customer scroll through the company's website and place the order for the same. So this is referred to as search engine optimization, where the maximum users of the information who has scrolled the website for the maximum times comes at the first top level, and so on and so forth, it decreases. So these are the major promotional techniques which is followed for digital promotion nowadays by the companies, so that they can attract more and more customers, they can make more and more profits, they can sell new and innovative things, they can do more research and development, also at the ease of the customer, and also making the customer's product and services less expensive and pocket friendly for the same. Thank you so much.